Since I don't expect most of you to have Office 365 for Excel, I have dedicated most of the lessons related to drop-down menus on older versions of Excel. So I've shown you a quick and dirty approach to create drop-down menus, and I've shown you a more sophisticated approach to have this dynamic. However, in a lot of cases, the formulas were very hard to understand. Well, if you look at the new Excel Office 365, you're going to see that this task will be simplified dramatically with Excel dynamic arrays. So in this lesson, I'm going to try to show you how it works and maybe convince you to get the new Excel. Now I'm going to put a link in the description which will have all the other lessons that are related to drop-down menus, so you can have a look at them, especially if you don't have the newer version of Excel. And I'm also going to put a link to other formulas that we're going to use here, namely the filter formula, the unique formula, and the sort formula. So let's start. In this example, I have a table which has category and item. And the first task will be to create a drop-down menu which will have the unique categories. The second task will be to create a drop-down menu that will show me the items based on the selected category. So let's start with the first task, but before that, I need to convert this to an Excel table. So I'm just going to click Insert, Table, then OK, and here I'm going to call it DT, enter. So this is my table. To get the unique list here, I'm just going to type equal unique, open parentheses, select the first column of my table, close the parentheses, enter, and I get the three categories: car, clothing, and appliance. To have it in the drop-down menu, we just select the drop-down menu, data, we click here, and then we click on list, equal, we select only the first cell that has the data. And then to select the rest, the data that spills, you just add hash here. You press on OK, and then you get them. As simple as this. Equal the first cell, and then hash. To have the second one, what we're gonna do first is select, for example, a category, clothing, and then here we're gonna type equal filter. What is my array now? It is the second column of my table, comma, what do I need to include? Basically, I select the first column, equal, whatever the user has selected in E, and then I'm just gonna close the parentheses, enter, and I get shirt, t-shirt, and then shoes, which is here. To get it in my drop-down menu, same methodology. We click, select list, equal, and then we select the first item and then hash. We press on OK, we get the three items. If I want to sort this, for example, I can just come here and write sort here before it. My array is DT category. The other three arguments are optional, so I'm not going to use them for now. Just to show you the concept, I'm just going to close the parentheses, press enter, and you can see that appliance comes first. If I go back to my menu, appliance comes first. So I hope I convinced you with the new Office 365. Please let me know in the comment section whether you like this methodology and whether you're considering upgrading to Office 365. And please, as usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.